Hello everyone, Bodie here. That's my favorite spinner, that is really cool.
What's going on, guys? I'm back. I bet you never expected that. I didn't expect it either. I'm gonna keep it real with you. I never planned on hopping back on this channel, but I'm sorry if you're expecting Fortnite or, you know, the other stuff we used to make. It's not what this is anymore. Now I'm gonna be making this a trading focused channel, like futures and NASDAQ and all that kind of stuff. If you're not interested in that, don't want to watch those videos, you don't have to. I'm not, if you're an old subscriber, I'm not gonna make you watch videos, of course. Don't unsubscribe, you don't have to do that. But I'm not gonna get into any detail in this video. This is just like a I'm back type of video. Trading has changed my life, and it could change yours. I mean, that's like, it's a skill and it's a thing that if you learn, there is no limit. Like, there's limits to everything. On paper, there is no limit to this. The amount of money you could make, places you could go, the things you could buy. Now, money isn't everything, but it is a lot. I highly recommend trading. Not only is it gonna make you have as much money as you want it to make you, but it will change your mind. It will make you mature, and you'll grow as a person psychologically. I'm gonna be using this channel to post recaps, stuff that I do, stuff that I've done, resources to learn, to teach, advanced, basic stuff, whatever. If I get type of feedback, you want this, I could provide that. I'm very knowledgeable, I'm very experienced, been doing this for a long time. And this is just to help me stay accountable with my own trading, of course, because I'm going to be showing you what I do, as well as to try and give back and teach, because I've learned so much. And, I've made some money, and why not help other people if they're interested? That's it. This is the intro video. I'm not going to get anything. I'll be trying to upload daily, recaps, and then maybe educational resources as well. We'll see. I'm not going to make any promises, but yeah, we're back, baby. Let's see how this goes. Stay tuned for some informational stuff, some recaps, whatever. If you're interested, I will see you when I see you. Probably tomorrow. Be honest, I'm gonna be grinding on it all day, every day. So stay tuned. I'll catch you in the next one.